this is Fixer Joe, and I'm going to try to repair a doorknob that does not work. Our bathroom closet door will not open. I try and turn, and I can't get it to open, so I gotta figure out how to get the door open. Okay, so I grabbed a nail set and a hammer, and I'm going to pop off the hinges and take it off that side. Nail set in the bottom. Pull the pin. Repeat with the top one. Okay, so now I got this side off. I should be able to pull it off the hinge side. Grab underneath and pop it out. Loose. Take the door off. Okay, you can see that the latch is not pulling back far enough. It needs to go the whole way in. So I'm going to take this apart and just take a look at it. Taking out the two screws that hold the door knob together. And you can see the mechanism that's in there. Should go turn this. It just doesn't seem to want to turn far enough. Get that latch to pull in. So I don't know if it needs greased up. It's pretty greasy as it is, but yeah, there's nothing obvious why this is sticking. So I'm going to get some silicone spray. Just spray her. Lubricate that. Put it on the inside. Put it back together. This knob lines up. Lines up that slot. It seems to be going pretty far. That should clear. I can't turn it any further because there are stops, actually physical stops right there, both directions. So I can only turn so far. See it there. Try and get that screw into the screw hole. Before you tighten everything up, just make sure you recenter the knob on the hole. Rehang the door. The hinges lined up there. Drop the pin back in. Put it part way. Put the pins back in. Okay, we got back on, we got the pins, checking out the latch. Closes. Opens. And there you go. Fix the door.